Record in private, sir.
So my question is clear, right, for everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what is the thing we need to do? We need to make it private. Where we need to make it private, Manoj?
In shared settings.
In the
Sharing
shared setting under the org by defaults.
Yes, sir. Or word. OWD.
Okay. Okay. Now till here, everyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions?
No, sir.
No?
sir.
No, sir. It's
Okay.
clear.
What is sharing rule then?
Giving a record level access.
Giving
Record level access.
record level access. Okay. Record level. Okay. Record level access. Like how? Can you explain? Just explain, not a definition. Jitendra, Bhargav, you wanna try?
Yes, sir. Particular record, we want to select it and give permission to it, and we can. The permission is which is given to the user. The user only can see the selected record.
Based on certain criteria, if some records of any object should be seen by set of people or group of users, then we need to set a sharing rule and write a criteria in that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is manual sharing? If suppose I manually assign user this record, then it is manual sharing. Yesterday we haven't seen manual sharing. Today we will see the manual sharing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Based on criteria, how we'll do it? It's clear, right? In the last class we have seen America.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Huh?
Condition based on criteria.
Based on certain criteria, we have done that, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's start. Actually, our my main goal was to complete the data security by the end of this week. So I haven't done the manual sharing, so that I will be doing today. It will not take much time. Okay, by 1:15 or 1:30 we'll end that. Okay, the complete data security. Let me share my screen. You can see the screen, right? Okay, okay. In Jitendar's, I think we are doing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jitendar, please share your screen.
Yeah. Yes, sir. It is visible. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible. Now go to sharing setting. No, wait. Which product we are dealing with? KC products, right?
Product.
In the org, go to a KC product in the org.
Organization.
In the sales application.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, sir.
Now go to any record. Which doesn't have the country America, because if it is there America, then who can see? Manoj can see. So create a record. No, let's create a record. Let's create a new record. Select manual sharing, right? Manual sharing record name, because we need to understand, right? So manual sharing text record.
Manufacturing country India.
Yeah, India.
Yes.
Manoj, can you see this record?
Sir, wait a minute.
You logged into Jitender's org
Yes,
only?
sir. Yes, sir, I have logged in.
Okay.
No, sir, I can't see.
In the recently view, click on all records. You will not be seeing. Okay. I know. You can't see.
Yes, sir.
Now
we
I didn't. This is India, so this doesn't come under the. This record doesn't come under the criteria of sharing.
Criteria.
Okay. Now suppose still the user, still the Manoj want to see this. He requested you the access. What you will do? Go to this record. Change the owner to Manoj.
Yeah, sir.
Manoj, reload the page and share
Yes,
the.
sir, I can see, sir.
Please share the screen.
Manual sharing test record.
Sir,
You can see that. It is
Yes,
created
sir.
by whom? Created by
Jitendra,
Yudhendra. But who is the owner now?
me.
Right. So that's the
Not-
reason you can see this. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? Not clear?
Clear.
Clear, sir.
Oh, just
Sir, if multiple users want to see, then in that
then
case,
it's
okay.
like you have to share it with a like a manual sharing only. Based on the record owner, you have to share. I mean, not manual sharing. It's like what we say
Criteria.
criteria.
Based
So
on criteria.
these all records. Who whenever I mean, if Jitendra has created that record, then that record should be seen by everyone. Like that also we can write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Now, is this this is a small topic? Is this clear? Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir.
1 second. Someone asking question? Hello?
No, sir, no one asked.
I'll send the questions to you to practice. Just a minute, huh? I'll send you the link.
Yeah, sir.
This is taking time. My blog is not getting loaded. Just a minute. So we will see some general questions. Then we will see some real-time scenario questions. Okay? On the topic.
Sir.
I think I haven't shared my blog, right? Till now. Jitendra, go to the sharing settings. Manoj, I think this is your screen, right? Jitendra, share your
Yes,
screen.
sir.
So these are the questions you need to practice. You open? Okay. Now I'll go to the KC product sharing rule.
Sir, we did not complete that formulas and validation module.
Yeah. We'll complete. Just we'll complete this in 5 minutes. Okay. We will complete this in 5 minutes, then we'll start that. Okay. Go to new. Now, if you see, based on record, select which records to be shared. Yeah, this is all there, right? Now click on based on criteria. So this criteria is clear, right?
Sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Just come down. Add filter logic is there, right? Click on that add filter logic. No. Add filter logic. One second. So, if you wanted to filter to key deals for like how we can do this is it is showing. Okay. If anytime you get a question like how we will do, so you can see here. And suppose if you want to add more rows into this 5 conditions, you want to add more conditions, click on add row. There is add row option.
This one.
This one. You can add n number of conditions. Okay. Come down.
Yeah, it's lost.
Okay, it's lost. Okay. Was owned by users who can't have it. Now here public groups are there. Okay, public groups. Select the users to share with. What is public group? You have to create a public group. Means the persons who are in that group can access. If you select a role, persons in that role will access. Previously, we have selected role option. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now let's create a public group. Duplicate this tab.
That means
You have to duplicate this tab in the tab. I mean, this browser window. Can you do that? Click here. No. Click here. Click here. On the top. On top. The right
this
click.
one.
Right click. There is no option called duplicate tab.
Duplicate tab.
Now, in that, go to the settings. Okay, it's okay. Go to settings. Okay. In the settings, go to again users, type users. There is something called public groups. No, not user. Under
No,
the user
public.
section, we have public groups. Create a new public group. So available members. You can add the available members here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Public groups. Who is the label? So like this. Search public groups or search roles. You can add any number of roles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a public group. You can I will share you a small documentation. You can see that public group is a small topic. Just I am letting you know that we can add a group of people in here and assign at one time to all these persons or all these roles. Okay. Click
Yes,
on
sir.
that search public groups.
Search public.
Users.
Roles,
You select users.
users.
These are the users. So you can add them. Which user want to be in this group? That user, so you can add it here, and in the sharing rule, you can select this public group name. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Getting the point? Manoj, clear
Clear.
the point? Public group. It's like creating a WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Bhargav?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, 1 second. In the WhatsApp, I have shared one documentation. Open that one.
Blogspot. This
Yeah.
one, sir.
Yeah.
Questions on data security.
Yeah, practice them. Now, 1 second. Open the Salesforce data security. Next one. Now, these are the questions you need to practice. Everyone, Manoj, see, if you know the topic, it's good. But if you answer well, then it creates a good impression for you in the interview. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understanding the topic is very important. But by the way, remembering the original definitions, maybe 60% of the original definitions is also very important because you need to know the terminology. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now here, create a owner-based sharing rules. In this task, you will create a sharing rule based on a record ownership to extra. First one.
Owner.
Access to specific group of users. Step 1. Create a public group and call sales team and include all the users with the sales profile. Okay. Now, set the organization wide defaults for the account object to be private. Means account object, if you create, I should not. That's the thing, right? Next step. Create an owner-based sharing rule on the account object that shares records owned by a sales team with the marketing team.
Public group.
This is the task. Okay. Step 3.
Yeah.
How you will do that? You have to see. Okay. I'll provide like other links as well. What is the record owner-based sharing rule? Try it. If you fail, we'll see. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, criteria based. In the third step, in the first step, ensure the argo for case object. Next, create custom field on the case object called priority with values. Now create a criteria based sharing rule on the case object that shares records with priority high with a public called support managers. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Support managers can see only. Means support managers means you should have to create a public group and in that you need to add Manoj or Jitendra. Then you have to discuss. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir.
Manoj, why I am showing this all means if I conduct a sudden test now, I'll be asking these tasks only to do in front of me by sharing the screen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you three people want, you can connect. Okay. You can connect and discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
You can connect and discuss. And don't connect privately. If you are going to connect, you have to connect in the WhatsApp only. Means, connect in this Zoom call only. Okay. Don't create any personal group like that. You
Okay,
can
sir.
create, but not right now. Okay. When there will be interview starting, then you can create personal group or personal chat, anything. But now just communicate here. Okay. If you want to communicate. This task I want to see in everyone's sandbox. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And that too by end of the day tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you do this now, I can be very sure that okay, you understand profile, you understand roles, you understand sharing rules. That too manual and manual and sharing rules by owner based criteria or only criteria based, owner based or criteria based. So these all I need to see. Okay, by the end of the day tomorrow. Clear?
Sir, should we do this in Trailhead or else this
Sandbox.
develop? Okay, sir.
I told you to create a sandbox now, in that sandbox. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everyone should send a screenshot by tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
If any questions, put in the chat. I will connect. Or if Jitendra has completed that one, he will be helping Bhargav. Or Bhargav completed that one, he will be helping Manoj. You communicate in the chat. You have to complete this at any cost. In the interview, they will make you to share your screen and open your playground and make you to do these all things. At that time, if you get stuck now, it's no use of studying data security for the 1 week. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So let's start this. What we say?
Sir, we have to complete this task 1 and task 2.
No, task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. 5. I
All
think.
the
tasks.
tasks.
5, 4, 5. Yeah.
Task.
5.
5 you have to complete. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Then you have to prepare these questions. There are questions on data security. Monday I will ask the questions. The next,
First
the
one.
previous blog. Yeah.
Files, roles.
These are all my blogs in this. So you will see line by line. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Now what we'll do is we'll start validation rules. Formula fields completed. We are left with validation rules.
Validation.
I think we have also completed this roll-up summary fields, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir. Roll up some fields also.
Yeah.
Completed roll-up, sir.
Now what is validation rule? Let's see. Suppose you have an account. In the account, there is an annual revenue field. Okay. Which is the field? Annual revenue. Can the annual revenue be 5 rupees, 10 rupees, or $5, $10?
No, sir.
No. There should be some
No.
specific condition. If someone enters the wrong data as they want, like 10 rupees, 15 rupees, $15 or $50, that doesn't make a sense. Okay. Annual revenue of a company should be like at least $500 or $5,000. And maximum, if they enter some billion, trillions, that also doesn't make sense. If it makes sense, if it is really that good company, but in your organization, if there is no such, no such company or no such account which makes that much revenue. So what we have to do? We have to set a condition. What is the condition? Annual revenue should be greater than $500 and less than $5 lakh or 5 million. Are you getting my point? Manoj,
Sir.
getting the point? Annual
Yes, sir,
revenue should be greater than some value and less than some value. If someone enters like $5, $10, then there should be error. Please enter a value between this and this. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Where I should do that? I should go to the
Yes.
object.
Not visible.
No, I am not sharing my screen.
Yeah, okay.
Go to the object manager and open the account object, Jitendra. Only the things which are which you can't do, that only I will be doing. If the thing can be done by you, I will be making you to do. Okay, any one of you. Okay.
Fields and reference.
In the fields and relationship, we have the annual revenue. But no, don't go to fields and relationship. Just go to validation rules. In the bottom, you have the validation rules.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Now click on new validation rule. Rule name. Annual revenue criteria or something. You write it. Annual revenue criteria. Okay. Clear? Have you written?
Yeah, sir.
Let me type it. Where are we? Yeah. Now, this is the formula field, like only, right? Formula field. Yes or no? This is the formula
sir.
field only. Formula field, you will edit, na? Like that only, right? Insert field. Insert field, click on insert field. Write it. Annual revenue. Select the annual revenue. Insert. Click on insert. Now, insert operator greater than. Greater than 5 lakh. Greater than 500. 500. Okay. Okay. Right. You have written like this, na? Everyone listen very carefully this point. Write a message. Write a message. Annual revenue should be greater than 500. First we'll write one condition, then we'll check another condition. 500. 500. Now what happens, you know? If it is greater than 500, na, error will trigger. Actually, what should happen? If it is greater than 5, if it is less than 500, the error should
Yes.
trigger, na? But what happens, you know, here? If it is greater than 500, the error will trigger. Why? Because, read this line, zoom it, just zoom it, little expand, yeah, go up, up. No, up. Read this line.
Which one, sir?
That line.
Display an error if discount is more than 30%. If this for expression is true, display the text and in the error message area. Okay.
So, not this one. Okay, leave it. This one, you read this line. It's very simple to understand. This one, no, this one. If this formula expression is true, display the text defined in the error message. Means what happens? If annual revenue is greater than 500, then the error will come now.
Yes, sir.
Means what I should write? Whatever we want, for that reverse we should write.
Yeah.
Got the thing? Formula fields are different. Formula field, what we want, that we'll write here. There, that will write there. But here, annual this validation rules are like, whatever we want, for that reverse we have to write.
If we want greater than, we have to give it lesser.
Less than.
Less than.
If it is, if annual revenue is less than 500, then that error will trigger. Means whenever this condition is true, whatever you write here, na, whenever this condition is true, then the error will come.
Okay.
Clear, not clear?
Clear.
Manoj, clear?
Clear, sir.
Error will come when this condition will get true. Means when this condition will get true, if annual revenue is greater than 500, then the error will come. But that's not the case, right? When this error should come, when this is less than 500. So we have to write like this. This is a error condition, not a validation. I mean, not a actual condition. This is error condition. When the error should come, whenever there is a Annual revenue less than 500.
Then 500.
Got this?
Yes, sir.
Write it. Save it. Save it. Check syntax and save it. No respond. Go down. Click save. Now go to the annual revenue. Go to the account object. No, not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. In the org. In the org. We'll check it. We'll enter the annual revenue. You can directly type account. Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Go to the accounts. Click on new account. Write the account name. Where is annual revenue? Give an annual revenue $10. Click save. Annual revenue should be greater than 500.
Then 500.
Got the thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Save it now. Got save. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Manoj, clear?
Clear, sir.
I'll share more examples. The writing the way, checking the way is clear, right? I'll share more examples with you on the blog. You practice them. I'll share
Okay.
one of my video as well. You have to practice that as well. You have to see that as well. This is just a validation rule, but there will be multiple scenarios, right? Multiple scenarios, multiple examples, concatenation, the big logic, so like that. Okay.